আমরা কি ধরনের পরিবর্তন আনতে পারছি এবং কেমন করে আমরা জানব যে কমিউনিটির জীবনে আমরা কোনো পরিবর্তন আনতে পারছি? এই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্নগুলোর দিকে মনোযোগ দিতে মাঠকর্মীদের সাহায্য করার জন্য গুড এনাফ গাইড হলো একটি টুল। স্থানীয় জনগণের কাছে কিভাবে জবাবদিহিতা নিশ্চিত করা যায় তার কিছু পরীক্ষিত পদ্ধতি পেশ করছে এই গাইড। জরুরি অবস্থায় কমিউনিটির সাথে কাজ করার দক্ষতা বৃদ্ধিতে এটি আমাদের সাহায্য করে। গুড এনাফ সহজ, সরল ও ব্যবহারিক সমাধানের ওপর জোর দেয়। এটি মাঠকর্মীদের নিরাপদ এবং দ্রুত ও সহজে প্রয়োগ করা যায় এমন টুল বেছে নিতে সাহায্য করে।
What good enough guide does is it tells us where to focus, where to pay attention, where to critically think regarding the accountability and community participation in the whole process of the project cycle. It tells us what to do in the planning in terms of participating the community. It tells us about what to consider in the process of implementation, in the process of evaluation and monitoring. So it's a very, very useful tool.
Traditionally, accountability has been more in terms of upwards accountability towards donors and others. Tools like the Good Enough Guide that help us have simple ways of being more accountable to the people most affected in the case of emergencies.
Accountability, especially in the humanitarian program, is something we should engage communities throughout the project period. That includes developing an assessment, project proposal, identifying beneficiaries, targeting criteria, and establishing compliance mechanism.
It's a very important tool. We have to disseminate it more. We have to show and let the people know that they have some rights and some things to ask from our work.
Ultimately, accountability makes us better at what we do, and it means greater impact in terms of the populations that we work with.
One of the things we have to do is start to use them more frequently, both in emergency projects and the long-term development programs. So step one is immersion of staff on what are the tools and what are the best practices among those tools and what is the shorthand.
Linking accountability with the normal kinds of training we do is sort of part and parcel of how trainings are arranged now. We want it to be just accepted in the way to make sure that staff understand and use it, or to have it part of every training that we do.
Well, accountability is important to us because it's a part of learning mechanism. It's a part of mechanism by which people would participate into the project and then have some questions, and then we have to answer to the questions. They might have some complaints. We have an obligation to them to go back and reply and explain, and we have to set up all these mechanisms because we're not working for the people, we are working with the people. I mean, that is a kind of principle that we have.
I think Good Enough Guide is not the issue, it needs a commitment to accountability and to reach to the most vulnerable people and to provide them complete and full information. We need that commitment first within the organization or within the individual, and then use the Good Enough Guide to help establishing accountability systems and procedures in your organization.